Join our Fire Mountain family by signing up to our email list for all of our beading news. Find the link in the description below. Put on your snorkel and grab your scuba gear because today we are diving into March's birthstone, Aquamarine. This beautiful, translucent gemstone can be found in colors ranging from pale blue to aqua green and has long been associated with the sea. Even the word aquamarine gets its origin from the Italian word for seawater. Unlike a lot of the quartz-based gemstones we've looked at, aquamarine is formed from beryl, a rare silicate material found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Its blue-green color comes from the ferrous iron and metallic ions trapped in the formation. For centuries, aquamarine has been considered a stone of protection among ocean travelers. The Greeks and Romans considered it a talisman of protection, and it was commonly worn with the belief that it would ensure a safe and prosperous passage across unpredictable seas. Today, aquamarine is still considered a stone of courage and preparedness and is thought to bring good luck, peace, and happiness. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hi and welcome. I'm Suzanne and we're back today with our very own in-house graduate gemologist, Dev.
Hi, Suzanne.
Thank you for coming today. We've been looking at aquamarine and I'd love to see if you could help us dive a little deeper into the stone.
So Suzanne, aquamarine belongs to the beryl species. So this is one of the varieties. The other varieties are emerald, morganite, goshenite, so with the different colors.
Okay, interesting. So emerald and aquamarine are part of the same species.
Yeah, they are part of the same species.
Okay. How does aquamarine get its blue color?
So aquamarine gets its color from, we call it impurity of iron. So iron gives that blue, deep blue, depending on the how much iron is there, give the light color, blue, dark color, blue color. And for example, the emerald gets its color from vanadium and chromium, the green color.
I see.
And the iron is the one that gives the blue color for the aquamarine.
Okay, and so the variance in the beads is just based on the amount of iron?
Content, yes,
okay.
Of iron. And different mines, that get different color, different impurities. But
okay.
Iron is the one that gives the bluish color. Code of H, which is for heated. As per AGTS, for each stone what we sell, they all have enhancement codes.
Oh, that makes sense. And the nice thing is, when you shop at Fire Mountain, you'll be able to see the grade of every gemstone, including any enhancement codes, which includes the heating.
Yeah, that's
which
right.
is great. Now, are a lot of gemstones heated? Is this common?
It's common. The other stones are carnelian, which are heated and dyed. That's why we had double code, enhancement code, dyed/heated. And then certain zircons, they are heated also. So to make it more even color.
That makes sense. Okay. Now, I've also heard that a lot of higher end aquamarine is rare or hard to find. Is that true?
It's true. So the deep blue color is very rare nowadays. So those are like collector's item or high end jewelry. That's where they use them.
Okay. But most of, what we sell as being B grade is perfect for jewelry purposes.
Yeah, they're good enough. The B to C grade, that's what we carry. There are certain C minus also, or D grades also.
Okay. Now, what kind of things should we keep in mind when we're carrying or cleaning aquamarine jewelry?
So aquamarine, you can clean with soapy warm water is the best way to clean it.
Okay.
And you can use steamer or ultrasonic, as per there is no fracture.
Okay. Well, it sounds like one of your best bets is always soapy warm water.
Soapy warm water is the best bet.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. When you were here with us last time, you showed us how to test for Mohs hardness. So I was curious, what is the Mohs hardness of aquamarine?
So aquamarine got 7.5 to 8. That's a hard stone,
Mm-hmm.
And it's good to use for the jewelry, for the rings, pendants, or bracelets. And it can handle a lot of wear and tear.
Okay, great.
So, and easy to clean.
Okay, nice. Now, where is our aquamarine mostly mined from or found?
So the most of the aquamarine, what we get, they are from Brazil, Madagascar, or Zambia. That's where we get the aquamarines.
Okay. And then I was hoping you could also maybe give us a little bit better idea of other ways that you identify the stone, aquamarine, and gemstones.
So I use the refractive index 1, and then Mohs hardness, of course, and identifying characteristics, which are inclusions, use the microscope. And then I got the specific gravity. That's another way to test it. So sometimes I have to use all those 4 methods, or just from 2 methods I can find out if it's a quartz or aquamarine.
Okay. Would you be able to give us a little bit more specifics on the specific gravity?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, and I see you have some gloves here. Is this stinky stuff or?
Yeah, if you don't put it on, my hands will be stinking for the whole day. So.
Well, and I actually have an aquamarine stone here, so I was hoping you could show us.
So I have to put it on because I'm using it every day. So the bottle has a little bit of liquid
residue on the outside. Okay. And we do know that aquamarine is 2.72 specific gravity.
So it goes slightly up and down.
Yeah, in some variants.
Because of different. So this is 2.67 liquid. That's the calibrated liquid. So I'm gonna take this bead, the one you gave me. So I'm gonna drop this. It sank.
Oh, it did. Yes, I can.
So that means specific gravity is more than this liquid.
That makes sense. And the liquid's 2.67.
So if it dropped like a rock, then it may be a little bit higher, but it's only 2.72. So watch it. So I'm gonna take this stone. See, look at that. It drops very slowly.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 2.72. So it give more some identification. Yes, we'll do some other tests also, but that means it's aquamarine, close to 2.72.
Okay. That was so interesting, Dev. Thank you so much for showing us how to determine the specific gravity. So I hear you have a project to show me this time.
Oh, yeah. I brought something for you.
Okay. So you promise it's simple and anyone can make it.
I think so.
Okay. I'm excited to see what you brought here. What do we have?
So we got 18 by 13 cabochon.
Okay.
And then I got this setting, JBB setting, precious metal, silver chain, and sterling silver bail.
Okay, so only four items needed to make this.
Yes.
And then how would I find the setting to match the cabochon?
So we buy the stones for the settings we carry, or vice versa. Sometimes we buy the setting when we get some odd sizes of the stone. So for this one, we have the settings and the stone both.
I'm going to go ahead and start here then. So I'm going to take the aquamarine cabochon and make sure it fits in the JBB. So yes, and then this is it's sterling silver, right?
Sterling silver, yeah.
Okay. And I have a bezel roller here, which is going to help me mount this, right?
That's right, yeah.
Okay, so let's
move this one.
Flat surface here, which I think will help. So now that I'm on a flat surface, I'm going to go ahead and hold this. And using the bezel roller, Dev, where should I start?
So you're holding perfectly. So now you press the top one.
Okay, so start at the top.
Yep.
Oh, and this is easy. Yeah, I see how. Okay.
So silver soft material, so it should bend very easy. And now you turn it to the other side.
Okay.
And then press those 3.
I see how that's securing it.
And then put it the other way.
To the side. Okay.
Now press, like that.
Press down. Super easy. Wow, that is so simple.
You don't need any glue or anything. It's secured and it's safe. Now you just add the bail, silver bail.
Okay.
Just make it a pendant.
So I'm just using chain nose pliers. Super simple. I'm just going to rotate that up and then place this in there and then close this nice and tight.
Perfect.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Super simple pendant. I love it. And then next, I just take some finished chain, right?
Yep. And just open it up. Just
string it on. What a gorgeous necklace, Dev. Okay, you can bring a project anytime. I like this. Thank you again, Dev, for coming by today, talking to us more about aquamarine, teaching us how you find specific gravity of a stone, and also for bringing this beautiful pendant project. I love it.
And my pleasure.
And now you can carry the enchantment and beauty of the sea with you wherever you go when you design beautiful aquamarine jewelry. Happy beading! Join our Fire Mountain family by signing up to our email list for all of our beading news. Find the link in the description below.